This stair climber was sent to me to try out, and I'm super excited about it, so let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, so in the box itself, you have the timer, you have the instructions, this little tool, you have 4 of these screws, the steppers, the actual stair stepper unit, and then the 2 handlebars. So the first thing we're going to do is put this step on. All right, once I put the little footings on, now I just set it up and I'm going to put the timer on. So I'm just going to slip this on. And then there is a wire down here and they connect together. All right, so now we're just going to take these and screw these on the front. All right, so now we're just going to adjust the footing where it should be, and you just take this little lever thing out and then just place it so that the footing is flat. We'll do the same on the other side. All right, so now we're gonna put the handles on. There is 3 levels you could choose from. I'm gonna go for the medium part or the middle part. And that's it. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this LCD display. So you have your RPM, your count, your time, and calories. You can choose by pressing this button what you want to show, but if you choose scan, then it's just gonna rotate through all of those. And then if you want to reset it, you'll just hold this down until it goes to that, and then now it's reset and ready to start over. Also, I wanted to note this is where you can place your phone or your tablet, so while you're working out, you can watch something or listen to your music hands-free. So another thing to note is right down here, there's actually 3 levels. Right now I have it on the 2nd level. You can bring it down to make it easier. This is medium, and then harder just depending on how much resistance you want. I love that this vertical climber works your arms, chest, core, glutes, and legs all at once. It's basically a full body workout in one machine. Just 20 minutes on here is like jogging for 20 minutes, swimming for an hour, or doing 180 minutes of cycling. The handlebars even rotate so you can adjust your grip and target different muscles. You can even set it up in front of the TV and watch your favorite flicks while you work out. And when you're done, it folds up in seconds. Plus, it's lightweight, so it's easy to carry and store away. So if you've been looking for a no-fuss way to get your steps in while catching up on Netflix, you should definitely check this one out.